Hi everyone. If you are preparing for Power BI data analyst interview, you need to know how to spot trap these kind of questions. Today we are solving a classic exercise from Visol using a dataset of world's tallest building. We need to create here. Firstly, you have to unzip this file by downloading this. Then what we have to do in this question is to firstly find the total floor, then find the average floor height. So these are the two things. So let's switch into Power BI desktop and build it. So here first we need uh, to find the or calculate the total floors. Before that I will show you the table. So this is our current um, table. So let's do one thing. Firstly, let's build. Firstly, let's create a column so that we can calculate the total floors by adding the floors above ground and below ground because we want this calculations row by row. So I will select the no column, then um, write the formula. Total floor equal to building floor above ground plus building floor below ground. Okay, here we created the calculated column total floors. Yes, it created. Right now we can the Power BI use here the raw context. Remember that. So that gives the exact total for every single row. Now, first question we have completed. So the next second thing, average floor height. So here we you will get a confusion that thus we have to find the average by dividing the total floor, but no, uh, the measure we use from the ground above. Okay, so the basement floor we or the floor below we don't use, only we must have to divide it by floor above ground. So I am using new column again for finding the average. Also here you have to if you have any confusion, go back and read the question in the voice out. Okay. Okay, sorry. We have to find the average floor height. If you guys got any kind of confusion, ask me in the comment section. Divide the building. So here we have the height. Then here we don't have to use that slash. It will give us, or if we have any missing or zero value, that will give us error. So that we in Power BI we have to use that divide function. That okay. Next we have to build or divide it by floor above the ground. Then we can give a zero. By putting a zero at the end, we tell the Power BI to safely handle that error. Okay, mathematical error. So this is all good. I will commit it. So we created the average floor height as well. So we can use the table view. By viewing the table view, we got the total floor, average floor height. Inside this report view, I will create another table so that you can get the building name. Just for that, I will use this total floor and average floor height. And here it suddenly got a sum, or it did the sum and given 453. So we have to change it by right clicking average. Tick here the average. Here already after the point only two values, we don't have to format it. If we want to format it, how we can do that? Look here. Yeah. Um, Sorry. Just click here and come here in the auto. Just change it to 2. Tap it 2 times. Okay, that will format it to 2. So right now we got the total of sum of floors and the average floor height. Okay, finally we clean up those messy decimal and place it that uh, table visual, and places the two things, that is average and total floors. So these are, you can show in the interview as well. I hope you guys understood how you can crack these kind of question. So follow for more practical Power BI tips. Thank you.